Dear honorable guests, I'm very honored to be an honorary patron of the Black Pearl Awards this year. Despite growing attention, there are still far too many people living with a rare disease without equal access to the diagnosis, treatment, and to the care they deserve. It is therefore an absolute priority for policymakers to take action, especially at EU level. We need both innovation and solidarity. For citizens, it is, for instance, incomprehensible that a patient in one European country has access to innovative treatment, but not a patient with the same disease in another country. At this level, disparities are still too big. And this is why Belgium fully supports the idea of a European plan for rare diseases. We need to reorient the instruments to stimulate innovation where the unmet needs are evident. The current legislation has not been able to achieve all the desired objectives. We look forward to the upcoming European proposals to revise the orphan drugs and the pediatric regulation. We also must invest in cooperation. COVID-19 has shown that concrete European cooperation in the field of health is possible. The issue of rare diseases lends itself perfectly to this, both in terms of product evaluations and price discussions. Innovation is also needed in our health systems. We need to find solutions for the diagnostic odyssey, which is the time patients and their families travel between the development of the symptoms and a correct diagnosis. The European reference networks already offer an excellent opportunity for research and innovation, as well as for the evaluation of new treatments. In order to have maximum impact, the experience and analysis of these networks must be passed on and integrated more into our national practices, and thus improve access to care and ultimately to patient outcomes. If we want to meet these expectations, we need more health in the European Union, and we also need more European Union in health. And it is not about just more Europe, but also about a better Europe. We need a Europe that cares and that is seen to be caring. During the Belgian presidency in the first half of 2024, unmet medical needs will not be forgotten. We hope to contribute to improve the lives of so many people living with rare diseases. Finally, I would like to congratulate all the winners of this evening. I hope your prize is a motivation to continue your important work. Thanks very much for your attention. Was een klein